If you're on the hunt for high-quality pruning shears that make your gardening tasks easier and more efficient, the GOODSMANN Pruning Shears are definitely worth considering. These Secateurs come equipped with ultra-fine polishing technology blades made from fully hardened SK5 steel. This means they're incredibly sharp, durable, and resistant to rust and corrosion. Even after heavy use, these shears maintain their edge, ensuring you get clean cuts every time. One of the standout features of these pruning shears is their comfort. The heavy-duty aluminum alloy body and handle, combined with the blue TRP material, not only give the shears a sleek, stylish appearance but also enhance grip and reduce hand strain. This design makes pruning branches and stems much less strenuous, allowing you to work longer without discomfort. The ease of operation is another highlight. The mirror-polished blades glide effortlessly through wood, making pruning tasks quicker and more efficient. Whether you're trimming, deadheading, or shaping various plants, from roses to vegetables, these shears are versatile enough to handle it all. Safety is also a key feature with these shears. They include a simple safety buckle and lock mechanism to secure the blades when not in use, preventing accidental injuries and protecting the blade during storage and transport. Overall, the GOODSMANN Pruning Shears offer a combination of sharpness, comfort, and safety that can significantly enhance your gardening experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.